It's 3:17 a.m. Your eyes snap open. Again, you weren't having a nightmare. No loud noise woke you. Nothing scared you, but you're wide awake. Heart pounding slightly. Mind starting to race. You check your phone. 3:17 a.m. Last night it was 3:08 a.m. The night before, 2:54 a.m. Always between 2 and 4 a.m. Always the same window. You try everything. Different pillows. White noise. Meditation apps. Melatonin. Magnesium. Nothing works. You lie there for an hour, maybe 2, before finally drifting back to sleep. Then your alarm goes off and you feel like you never slept at all. This isn't random. This isn't bad luck. This isn't insomnia. Your body is trying to tell you something. And most people completely miss the message. Here's what doctors in traditional Chinese medicine have known for thousands of years. And what Western science is finally confirming. When you wake up between 2 and 4 a.m. consistently, your liver is screaming for help, and if you ignore it, the damage goes far beyond just sleep. Your liver is your body's detoxification powerhouse. It filters toxins, processes hormones, regulates blood sugar, and performs over 500 essential functions. And it does most of this work at night. Between 1 and 3 a.m. Your liver is in peak detoxification mode. It's processing everything you consume during the day: alcohol, processed foods, medications, environmental toxins, stress hormones. When your liver is healthy, this happens smoothly. You sleep right through it. But when your liver is overloaded, struggling, inflamed, or fatty, the detoxification process becomes a crisis. Your liver can't handle the load. Toxins build up. Blood sugar drops too low because your liver's glycogen stores are depleted, and when blood sugar crashes in the middle of the night, your body releases cortisol and adrenaline to compensate. Those stress hormones jolt you awake. Your liver also communicates directly with your brain through the vagus nerve. When it's in distress, it sends alarm signals that trigger consciousness. This is why you wake up feeling slightly off. Maybe a little warm. Maybe slight nausea. Maybe restless energy. That's your liver saying, I need help. Years of drinking alcohol, eating late at night, consuming processed foods, taking medications, being exposed to environmental toxins. They all accumulate. Your liver becomes fatty, inflamed, congested. And every night between 2 and 4 a.m., it struggles to do its job. So it wakes you up. Not to torture you, but as a warning signal that something is seriously wrong. But here's the powerful truth. Your liver can heal itself. And when it does, the 3 a.m. wake-up stop completely. First, stop eating at least 3 hours before bed. Your liver needs time to process dinner before it starts deep detoxification. Second, eliminate or drastically reduce alcohol. Even moderate drinking overburdens your liver and disrupts sleep architecture. Third, eat liver-supporting foods daily. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Leafy greens, beets, garlic, turmeric. These foods support your liver's detox pathways. Start your morning with warm lemon water. It stimulates bile production and helps your liver flush toxins. Consider liver-supporting supplements: milk thistle, dandelion root, NAC, N-acetylcysteine. These protect liver cells and enhance detoxification. Reduce processed foods, especially sugar and seed oils. They create inflammation and fat deposits in your liver. And here's what will happen. Within 1 week, you'll notice you're not waking up as often. Within 2 weeks, you're sleeping through most nights. Within a month, the 3 a.m. wake-ups are completely gone. Your energy during the day skyrockets. Your skin clears. Your mood stabilizes. Your brain fog lifts. Because when your liver is happy, everything in your body works better. That 3 a.m. wake-up isn't a curse. It's a gift. Your body telling you exactly what it needs. Listen to it. Support your liver and reclaim your sleep. Start tonight. No late eating. No alcohol. Give your liver the break it's desperately asking for. Your body has been trying to tell you something. Now you finally understand the message.